First of all, it's necessary to bring down the cabin in order to access the AdBlue injector. AdBlue injector should be removed from the SC air catalyst to perform the test. On the diagnosis menu, select the after treatment system and connect with it using Jaltest. Now, select the type of AdBlue dosing test and check that all requirements are met. The injector aromizes the liquid and the AdBlue flows through the catalyst. This injector has some orifices where the mixture of AdBlue and air is pulverized in the catalyst, creating a homogeneous mixture. If this doesn't happen, drops can appear. There may be blockages in the injector's inlet and outlet, and because of that, urea can be solidified. When the actuation stops, check the amount of AdBlue in the container and compare it with Jaltest info. If the value is correct, click on check icon to confirm that the test is successfully finished. As you can see, the test has finished and the results were correct. I hope you enjoyed the video.